Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage the trash section in WordPress. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress website, click on the login button and sign in with Google to access your dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the post section over here. This is where all of your content is organized. Then you can easily click on trash, or what I mean is there's going to be another option here. If you have deleted some pages so far, the trash tab should be visible in here. You can click on it to see all of your deleted posts. And from here, you can restore a post or permanently delete them. And that's it. That's how you can easily manage the trash section in WordPress to keep your content clean and organized. I hope you found this video very helpful.